Welcome to our channel. How to set up TP-Link router as a wireless access point. Step 1. Connect your TP-Link router. Plug your TP-Link router into a power outlet. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports. Make sure the router is powered on before continuing. Step 2. Open the router login page. Open your web browser and type tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Press Enter to access the TP-Link login page. Step 3. Sign in to the router. Enter your TP-Link admin username and password. If you're setting up the router for the first time, create a new admin password when prompted. Step 4. Find the operation mode. After logging in, go to Advanced or System Tools and look for Operation Mode. The location may vary depending on your router model. Step 5. Select Access Point Mode. Choose Access Point (AP) mode from the available options. This mode allows your TP-Link router to extend your existing wired network without creating a second network. Step 6. Save the settings. Click Save or Apply. The router will restart automatically. Wait a few minutes until the reboot is complete. Step 7. Connect the main router. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your main router to any LAN port on the TP-Link router. Do not use the WAN/Internet port while in access point mode. Step 8. Set up your Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. You can use the same network name and password as your main router for seamless roaming, or create a different name if you prefer. Step 9. Test your connection. Connect your phone, laptop, or tablet to the new Wi-Fi network. Open a website or stream a video to make sure your internet connection is working properly. Step 10. Place the access point in the best location. Move the TP-Link router to an area where you need stronger Wi-Fi coverage. Connect it back to your main router with an Ethernet cable, then enjoy faster and more reliable wireless coverage throughout your home. Thanks for watching.